Let's learn how to divide the number 240 by 8 using the long division method. Now see that the first digit 2 is less than 8. That's why we will consider the number 24. And we know that 8 times 3 is 24. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that this 0 is less than 8. That is why we need to bring down this number 0 here. Now see that this is the number 0. So we can remove one 0. And we know that 8 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 240 divided by 8 is equal to 30. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.